Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to do a moonwalk off the ice on the dance floor. In the previous video, I showed you on the ice. This will be instruction or suggestions for doing it off the ice for beginners. So let's start with some exercises. The first exercise I'd like you to do is we're going to do switching feet exercise. So we're going to alternate our feet, like so. One knee locked, the other bent. Just switch. And switch. Switch. And just relax your upper body. Let your arms do whatever you want. Makes me feel alive. I'm a single lady, I'm a single lady, I'm a single lady, I'm a single lady, sort of thing. Switch. Now, after you get comfortable with that, I'd like you to go higher on your toe. So before, we were on the ball and switching. So we're on the ball of the foot, switch, switch, switch. Now, go a little higher. All the way to the tippy toe for now. Just to work on that ankle strength, and that's actually going to create a more aesthetic looking moonwalk. The higher you get onto the toe. Not like in ballet where you're on point, but approaching that way. Okay, so that's the switching exercise. Switch, switch, one bent, one straight. Okay, next point two. And you can grab something for stability, like a bar or stairs, whatever. We're just going to slide the foot. Place the foot in front and just slide it back, keeping the heel on the ground. Slide. Do this about 10 times on each side. Slide. As far back as you can without lifting the heel. At some point you will have to lift the heel. And that's your end point. So all your weight on the standing foot and slide. Slide. Let's switch sides. Slide. Foot in front. Heel touching. As long as possible until it lifts up. Engage your core. All right. So those are two exercises to warm up with. Now we're going to start with basic position here. The basic starting position. Ball into the ground. Bent knee. The other knee is straight. Let's keep them close together for balance now. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to think about pushing this forward. Pushing the bent leg forward. And then the other foot will drag like so. Keeping most of your weight on the bent leg, on the front leg in this case. And the other foot will drag or slide or glide, whatever you want to think of it as. So I'm actually pushing it while this leg is not moving at all. I'm actually thinking of driving it that way. So sort of a downward drive that way. That allows me to pull this back leg back. So, like so. Then we're going to switch. Front leg is now straight, the back leg is bent. And then we're going to repeat the action. drag or slide back, This leg, again, is pushing downward and in that direction to assist the gliding back of this leg. So, we'll switch and we'll glide. We'll switch, we'll glide. Move up. Your arms for now can stay very neutral and in front. Engage your core. Like so. Keeping the heel on the ground. Switch. Heel on the ground. Switch. Heel on the ground. Switch. Down. You can even hold on to something to assist. Another ballet bar or something like that. So, here we go. Increase the speed. So, if gliding or sliding foot, make sure not to have too much weight on it, otherwise you'll stick to the ground and it won't be a smooth action. So you want to have a lot of your weight on this foot, which is driving into the ground, pushing forward even, and less weight on the gliding foot. So you have a smooth switch between the two. For now, keep the weight neutral or play forward. You can relax your arms and let them do what they want. That'll be more advanced when we work on the upper body. But for now, either keep them fairly neutral and still, or just relax and let them move however they want to move. There we go. And remember at the beginning where we worked on getting a higher on the toe? You really want to articulate up there as you get more comfortable. That'll give it a more, to me, aesthetic look. So we're going to actually get higher here. And we're going to push down, we're going to switch. Get really high up as we pull. All right, so start there. This is for beginners. There are several different ways to do this. This is the way I like to do it. So start there, and then later we can add arm styling and other stuff in the waist up. So, well, I hope that was helpful, and practice. Smash that subscribe button if you want to improve, and I'll see you in the next video.